Hey guys, good morning. I think the weather this morning looks amazing and looks great, so that's good news for me. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is install some accessories that I've ordered on the Sealion 6. First and foremost is going to be the rubber seal here on the ports, so both side of the charging port and the gas port, and also the center compartment here, because when you buy the Sealion 6, that's essentially empty. So it's nothing here. I mean, it's not empty. I mean, it's nothing here. So it's just, just one compartment on there. So I want, or rather, I've ordered something that will basically organize some stuff I have there on the center armrest. So these guys are right here. Second thing, so I've ordered an emblem here. This is a black gloss emblem. So what I did here on the stock one, I just basically wrapped them, and it looks really weird. Basically replace the stock one and replace it with a gloss black one. I mean, I think it looks amazing with the gloss black rather than the chrome, because I simply love blacks. Just to simply uniform this with the what I call this, piano black. We're planning to wrap the door handles as well in gloss black, just as the same with the mirror caps that I did, and also the shark fin. I'm planning to change this to gloss black as well, so I've ordered another one too. That's basically for the front emblem. So right here, so I've ordered this in AliExpress. These are genuine emblems right there. So the first thing that I'm going to do on this one is probably wrap it in gloss black or painted it. Then the other one, which is the center organizer right here, I ordered this as well in AliExpress. And I ordered this last December 11, and this was delivered last Tuesday, so it took longer than I expected. Now, since all of that are there, the next thing I'm going to do is prep and clean it. As for this one, I'm going to remove this. Right now, prep that. So all I need is some cloth and an alcohol. And as for this one, I think this is going to be on another video. So yeah, that's going to be on another video. All right, so let's get into it. When I'm doing the washing or when it rains, water gets in, right? Now, if I'm going to open that in and the water gets in, so this will basically give me an extra work to do some cleaning, right? So that's the reason why I got the rubber seal. All right, so that's done. Now, the only thing that I'm really, I would say, not really a concern, but it's more of a con, is that because the rubber is thick, so when you close it, you can't really close it right away. So you gotta really push it in hard, and it closes. Grab some water. Let's assume this is a rain, yeah? Okay, so I've sprayed the water. Now let's try to, just wipe the surface for now, and let's check it out. There's no water. That is looking clean, and there's no water. So goodbye for me on that one. Now let's go on the other side. Okay, so up next, the back emblem. Now, before I'm gonna do that, I'm going to, this is moving here because I basically removed this before and wrapped this, and it's wrapped terribly. It looks really, really bad. Create a template. That way, I'll have a guide of putting this in. All right, cool. Let's get right into it. First I'm going to do next is this before the emblem. Let me just prepare this. All right, so that's how it looks like. Very easy, very simple. That's it. You can probably buy this on Amazon as well. So there you go. Oh man, it's raining. Not the weather I expected. Let's do a little bit of comparison here. If the stock emblem has the same size as the one I bought online. Oh yes, it is. They have the same size. Perfect. All right, so of all the things I've done, that's really quick. Didn't need to take much longer time. So that's done. That's done. All right. Now with the grommet or with the gasket in, You have to sort of like push it in a little harder for this to open, and the same goes with closing. As for the emblem, it's good now. Looks brand new. Same goes on the gas port as well. So like I said, I have to push it really hard. There you go. So that's done. Push that in hard as well so that it locks in place. I hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up if you like something like this. If you have any questions, please do comment down below. And obviously I will share the link of where I bought it as well, so you can can buy it online for BYD vehicle. It's not just for the Sealion 6, but for any other BYD vehicles out there. Thank you for watching. Peace out.